Hey, and welcome back to my channel. For me, the most time-consuming part about making videos is the editing side, so until I can get a new computer, this won't change. But I have found a way that greatly reduces the time I spend editing, and that's through storyboarding. Obviously, there are some videos, such as these sit-down videos, where you can't really storyboard, but for the most part, storyboarding can save you hours and hours of editing time. It can also help to save you time while you're out shooting your videos, as it's always good to know what shots you want to get beforehand. A couple of weeks ago, I made a video of our naughty night away in a hotel in London. I've actually had this video planned for a long time, and that's because I created the storyboard for this months ago. I'll now show you the video along with the storyboard in the picture so that you can see how close I managed to stay to the story. Now, for those who've already seen it or aren't interested, I'll leave a description to the timestamp below of where you can skip to.
I've been sipping since I've been too young. I need baby girl. I've been popping and I've been rolling since I was 17. I've been geeking on that water. I want you, I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you, Can't take my, want your number. I'll call you back if that head right, baby. I won't love you, and I can't love you unless that pussy got some superpowers. I want you, I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you, woke up in the kitchen, say that I'll take this shit up and I'll baby. In the back, nose running from the back, and we did it on the floor. So she walking kinda funny, shoulda never put us on. Bitch, I'm only 24 and everybody's salty. Niggas, stop your bitching. Everybody making money, we don't need to kick it. I'm dealing with my niggas, everybody got a clip. Didn't
The couple with the fewest votes and therefore dumped from the island is...
To start your storyboard, you'll need a little bit of time to do some research. To start with, I always choose the song first, but for the hotel video, I had this song in mind to use for a very long time, so that was the easy part for this one. Now, when it comes to storyboarding, you will need a bit of imagination, as I often think up a lot of scenarios or things that I would like to do, but I have to run past Hannah first, as there's certain things that she won't do or that she's not comfortable to watch on video. The hotel video was actually supposed to be going onto Hannah's channel, but watching us kiss makes her cringe, so that's why it's ended up on my channel. First thing I do is I will listen to the song a few times just to get an idea of what I'm feeling as I'm listening to the song. It's also at this point where the ideas start coming in. For me, the hard part about videos is the beginning. So as soon as I can get that figured out through the storyboard, then the rest of the video usually falls into place. The song that I used in the hotel video to me sounds very sexy. The beat is sexy, the title is sexy, so I knew that it needed to have a sexy vibe going on in the video. Now, I am the least sexy person I know, so that's why I don't actually feature that much in the video. I wanted the story to be along the sort of role-playing route where couples will meet in a bar pretending not to know each other. Hannah would probably want me to say that we aren't one of these couples that have done this yet. So I wanted Hannah to sort of arrive, get ready, do a little bit of a mini fashion show before settling on the perfect outfit. Then I wanted it to cut to me arriving holding a bottle of wine where we can then get down to some fun. Obviously, because I put it on YouTube, there's certain things that we couldn't do, so we pushed it as far as we felt comfortable doing. For those that know me know that I'm a bit of a joker and I like to have fun, so I wanted to add a little bit of a fun element to the video, which is what you can see at the end. Now I know it seems very stereotypical, but for most of the parents I've ever spoken to, a night of passion or anything like that is the last thing on their mind when they've been looking after their kids all day. Instead, they'd probably rather choose pajamas, sofa, cup of tea and a bit of TV. So that's why we added that bit at the end. And also that's what we usually do on a night. Truth be told, our actual night away, we opted for a microwave dinner, watching some Love Island on the telly, eating chocolate, and Hannah even fell asleep on me. Now, while most of us don't have the luxury of location scouting before a shoot, that's where storyboarding can come in really handy. You can plan your video as much as you want, but inevitably things are going to come up while you're on location where it means that you can't get the shot that you had planned. So with the storyboard, you knew what you wanted to do, so you can plan around it while you're on location. And when it comes to actually putting images into my storyboard, I'll often look around at what other people have done while shooting in the same place to what we've done, just to give me a few ideas. Doing this also helps me to plan the shots I want, as also it gives you a sort of behind the scenes look at the place where you're going to be going to. The hardest part for me about actually doing the storyboard is finding the right images to match the image that I've got in my head. That is always the hardest part and the bit that takes me the longest. But once I'd actually finished shooting the night away video, it actually only took me a few hours to edit because I'd already had the story laid out beforehand. Usually my videos can take days, sometimes even weeks to finish editing, and these are the stories that I don't storyboard. But for the videos that I do storyboard, because I've already got the pictures in mind of the shots that I want, it greatly reduces the time that I spend editing. I know what shots I've got and I know the order that I need to put them in because of the storyboard. So to help you out, in the description I've included a download link for my Naughty Night Away storyboard and also a blank storyboard so that you can do your own. If you do, I can promise you it will cut down the time that you spend editing that video. And if you've made it this far, thank you for watching and I hope you found this useful. To those already subscribed, I will see you next time. And to those who aren't, what's the matter with you? Hopefully see some of you in the next video. Laters.